Hello everyone, welcome, and in this short and quick video I will easily show you how to connect your Microsoft Outlook to n8n. So guys, firstly, of course, make sure to have the Microsoft account, because without it you won't be able to do this. Outlook is tied to your Microsoft account. After you have one, press on plus. In this search of notes, type in Outlook. So choose this Microsoft Outlook. And in here, just choose your action, whichever you want to do. I will just choose this one. Now, under-select the credential, create new credential, and now press on Connect My Account. Okay, you will be redirected to this page where you will, as you can see, need to give permission to n8n too, and as you can see, we have a bunch of permissions, and then just press on Accept. Okay, now it will going to connect. As you can see, connection is successful. And now in green, we have accounts connected. Guys, that's pretty much it. Very simple, only a few seconds it takes to connect. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to press like on the video, give it a huge thumbs up, of course subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching guys, and I will see you soon in the next tutorial.